Hey, so this problem wants us to evaluate the given function at the indicated t value, and our given function is g of t is equal to negative 5t squared plus 8t plus 9, and we're evaluating it at g of negative a. All right, so I'm going to plug in negative a. G of negative a, I'm going to plug it in everywhere I see a t. So that's negative 5 times negative a squared plus 8 times negative a plus 9. All right. It's always a good idea to put your the thing you're plugging in parentheses so that you don't lose a negative sign. I've probably said this in all the videos, but it's always a good idea to do it like that. So you don't lose a negative sign, stuff being squared. I always lose negative signs, and I've been doing this for a very long time. So it's always a good idea to put it in parentheses. So the next step, this negative a squared, whenever we have something squared, this is negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1. So if we had negative a squared, this is negative a times negative a, which is positive a squared. All right. This is different to negative a squared. This, what I just wrote, says negative a times a, which is negative a squared. This is another reason why parentheses are such a big deal, is because you're going to get two different answers if you don't have your parentheses the right way. So back to what we're given, we have negative 5 times negative a squared. So this is negative 5 times a squared from right here. And then 8 times negative a, that's the same as taking this negative, and we're going to have negative 8a plus 9. If it helps to think of it like this, you can think of it as negative 1 times a is equal to negative a. So this negative 1 right here times the 8 gives us the negative 8a, or minus 8a. Alrighty, so then we get negative 5 times a squared minus 8a plus 9. And so that's going to be our final answer. So g of negative a is equal to negative 5a squared minus 8a plus 9.